Hello guys, welcome back to Lenovo Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Lenovo Thinkplus Earbuds one side not working. So if you have a Lenovo Thinkplus Earbuds here and one of them or one of the earbuds here is not working properly, there are going to be a few things that you may want to do here. So the first thing that you want to do here is you may want to check your charging case. So in this case, you want to place both your earbuds here back into the case one at a time. Now, if you see the charging light turns on, and if one earbud isn't triggering the charging light, it may not be the proper contact. So in this case, try reseating it in the case and ensure the charging case has enough battery and is working correctly. Now, next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to clean the charging contacts here. Now, if you're not aware yet, at the bottom section of your earbuds here, there are contacts that relies, or in this case, allows your earbuds to connect to your charging case here, which in this case, you may want to clean them soft with a soft cloth and basically remove any dirt that you may notice in there. Now, in this case, again, you want to use a dry cloth here or a cotton swab here with a little alcohol to clean them up. Now, if the earbuds aren't charging here, they won't turn on properly. Now, you may want to also fix some imbalance or charging imbalance issues here. Now, sometimes one earbud might discharge faster than the other, causing a syncing issue. Now, all you need to do is you want to basically charge both earbuds fully in the case here. Now, you want to remove only one earbud and play music on it for about 30 to 60 minutes and place it back into the case that you have here and wait for just like 30 minutes on it. Now, place it back in the case after 30 minutes and try using both earbuds together again. Now, once you've done that and none of those actually work, you may want to reset and reconnect the earbuds. Now, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and go to your Bluetooth settings on your device and you just want to forget your earbuds here. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and try repairing or pairing them again with a different phone, such for example, if you have a different phone, or you could go in and just borrow someone's or a friend's phone here and see if that actually helps. Now, if they work on another device, try repairing them with your phone again and see if that works. And finally, the last thing that you can try doing here is you may want to fully discharge and recharge your earbuds. Now, in this case, if you drain the power from it or from your earbuds here, this will actually help them to basically start new again, which in this case you just need to let them play, connect them on your device, just let them play, run out some battery here. So this might take a few hours or even a whole day of them running together. So in this case, once it's actually fully drained, you could go and just basically place them back in the case and charge them fully at the same time. Now, you want to go and just wait for a few hours for them to fully charge, but after charging, try reconnecting them to your device and see if that helps. Now, if none of this actually worked, this might be a hardware problem for your device here, which in this case, most likely you may want to reach out to Lenovo to get more options of what you could do here. So maybe they could give you a replacement if you just bought this one, or they could give you a refund just in case, or they could give you a replacement. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lenovo Inspo. Thank you for watching.